moisture sucks, mold sucks, and this Vaunt Dehumidifier sucks the moisture out of the air, and it does a really good job of it as well. And I mean, that word moisture, I mean, I hate even just saying the word. I mean, it's just disgusting, and we want to get rid of it. And this is going to be perfect to get the job done, especially at the time of year where it starts getting colder. And of course, you want to stay nice and warm inside, but that means that there's going to be a lot of moisture in the air, a lot of condensation as well, and that leads to a build-up in mold. And this dehumidifier right here is going to eliminate that and try and get rid of that moisture out of the air. This is also going to be great if you're a decorator or a painter, because it's actually going to help the paint to dry quicker after you've applied it. And also, I believe actually on this nice handy display up top, you've got a laundry mode, because it just helps dry clothes a lot quicker too. This dehumidifier can take up to 20 litres of moisture out of the air in a day, and the tank itself on the back can hold up to 6 litres at a time. It will let you know, of course, when the tank is full and ready for emptying. There will be a noise that goes off, you know, a bit of an alarm just to let you know. But don't worry, the dehumidifier will shut itself off when the tank is full, so you don't have to worry about overflowing or anything like that. But if you are looking for continuous extraction of moisture, then you can actually hook this up to a hose and you can keep the dehumidifier running at all times. In terms of features, this Vaunt dehumidifier does not shy away. You've got handy display on top, and you can actually set your desired humidity of the room. And there's also a smart one-touch feature that gets the room down to the optimum humidity within the room. It also has a built-in fan as well if you need to cool down, and you can control that on the top as well. You can also control the speed of the fan with a nice button, and there's also a timer as well. If you don't want it running at all times and you want it only to run at certain times or for a certain amount of time, you can do that with the timer feature on top. So this is a very, very impressive dehumidifier that you can pick up now at its.co.uk from our friends at Vaunt. You're going to want to pick this up to improve your health, your home, your happiness. A bit of Triple H there.
Double underhook, you know what comes down.
Improve all three of those things with this incredible Vaunt 20-litre dehumidifier that you can check out now at its.co.uk.